Thanks for tuning in. My name's Spence and I'm here to show you about the ULV fogger here. Right here we have our ULV fogger that comes with our virus first aid kits. When you're using this fogger, you obviously put the hospital grade disinfectant here into the drum. It can hold up to 5 liters. We only recommend probably filling it with like 3 liters. Here we have about 1.5 liters in here since we're not really covering with tons of space. We want to make sure that that's nice and firm. We always want to keep the fogger straight like this. And then before we use it, we detach it here so that we can move up and down. Now when I turn it on, it does make some noise, so I'm going to just describe to you before I turn on the machine what I'm going to do. We want to go in a zigzag pattern. We never want to hold on one particular item to fog for a long period of time because it will leave a residue there. So we go from top to bottom, zigzagging. Okay, and always, like I said, keep this part straight. You can aim the nozzle down, you can aim the nozzle up, and stay in that zigzag motion. It gives you nice, even coverage. And now I'll show you how it works. Here's your power switch. All we do is turn it on. And it's quite that simple. So thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more about our virus first aid kits, check out some of the other videos and be safe.